Start your dance lessons. What kind of dance is that?
That's the falling dance.
That's the falling dance?
Yeah. That's what I do every day. This is the touching dance. And this is spinning dance.
Put the pillows back.
But these pillows are heavy.
I know.
And then I can follow these on. And these pillows can fall when I turn them. But I'm strong.
You're strong.
Yeah.
Oh, I didn't see your dance moves. You had to get back on the rug. Do your ballet moves and sing a song.
Okay. You mean a ballerina?
Yeah.
Ballerina song. Now, do ballerina. We just have to do this. And come out the stars. The ballerina star. Pocket. You want to keep just cover up your heart when you catch stars. Every day you hide. When you don't see your mommy, just come out and she will see you.
Tell me what you were telling me about the boy that you saw.
Okay. A little pretend boy, and he was sneaking up on me, and he was outside the windows, and he was pretending, and he's a pretend boy.
Oh, so he wasn't real.
No.
Oh, okay. That's good to know.
Yes. And I got more questions about the boy.
Okay, well come here and tell me.
Okay. He just snuck up on me when he was out there.
Well, what did he do?
He just crawled away when he was a baby.
What was his name?
His name was Tota to Acorny.
And what does he look like?
He looks like this.
Okay. And about how tall is he? You're a ham.
I'm not him.
Yes, you are.
No.
Yes, you are.
No.